Hi, good morning. Patco Construction out on site to correct some fencing that blew over. Basically what we're going to do here is open up the holes on the bottom, straighten or replace the poles, and then pour concrete footings down, adjust all the fencing, and get it vertical. And we'll take you along and show you how we do it. Hey, good morning. Day 2 on the fence repair project. Once we unearthed all of the vertical posts, we found that they were snapped about a foot below grade. So we had no choice but other to replace them with brand new vertical posts. So that's what we're doing, and we'll keep you in touch of what we're doing here.